Decide that you want it more than you fear it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my podcast channel. Topic वही जो आपको लगे सही. So our today's topic is fear redefined. What is basically fear? Guys, any situation, any point in your life when you think your capability is less than the power of your problems. कोई भी ऐसी सिचुएशन जब आपको लगे कि आपकी स्ट्रेंथ इज लेस देन द प्रॉब्लम्स इन योर लाइफ. नाउ दैट वी नो व्हाट फियर इज, व्हाट इज द रूट कॉज. आई हैव ऑलवेज टारगेटेड द रूट कॉज एंड सारी गेम रूट कॉज की है. रूट कॉज आई विल काउंट यू with 3 points. The first root cause I'll give you today is any situation when you have something on stake, when you have something to lose. जिसके पास कुछ भी हारने को नहीं होता वो कभी हारता नहीं. This is what a saying is. The second root cause is societal pressure. Whenever you are burdened with any kind of pressure, society, peer pressure or your inner pressure, these pressures make you fear situations. The third point and a very certain cause would be being unaware about ourselves. लोग unaware हैं अपनी personality के बारे में. This leads to fear. They don't know how to deal with themselves when they are into a stress situation. That leads to fear. Now that we know what is fear, what is the root causes of fear, so now the most interesting part of the video, the solutions. भाई तुम्हारा हमेशा solutions के साथ आता है, आज भी आया है 3 solutions के साथ. गेम चेंज हो जाएगी. solutions आज ऐसे लाया हूँ मैं. So the first solution I'll give you today is the mindset. As I've told, the whole game is about brain. सारी गेम ही ब्रेन की है. Taking your mindset into such a affirmative level. A quote goes like, मन के हारे हार हैं, मन के जीते जीत. Make your mind so affirmative about situations that you don't ever lose about anything in your life. The second point I'll give you is convert fear into realization. हिंदी में बोलूं, डर को एहसास में बदल दो. Make the situations as reality. Make yourself realize that this is the reality and I'll not fear it. This is the reality, this is the situation and I'll handle it logically. I'll not fear it. बात ही चेंज हो जाएगी. यहाँ पे सारी गेम चेंज हो जाएगी इस पॉइंट पे. This leads to awareness. Realizing situations leads to awareness. You will be more aware, you will be more conscious and you will be more efficient in your performance once you apply this second point. मजा आ रहा है? Mindset, converting fear into realization. 2 points गेम चेंज कर देंगे. बट ये तीसरा पॉइंट आज की हाईलाइट है, स्पॉट है आज का वीडियो का. द थर्ड पॉइंट गोज लाइक रीडिफाइन फियर. एज माई टाइटल गोज, फियर की डेफिनेशन ही चेंज कर दो. चेंज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ फियर इन योर लाइफ एंड यू विल नेवर एवर हेट दिस वर्ड फियर. आई फियर थिंग्स इन माई लाइफ, बट what is my definition of fear? Fear for me is face everything and rise. हाथ खोल के तेज आवाज में, face everything and rise. This is the new definition for all of us. आज से हम fear को इसी definition से जानेंगे. कोई भी बोले you fear things, yes I do, but what is fear for me? Face everything and rise. I'll face everything and I'll rise in my life. This is the new definition we'll accept. Make it, write on a paper and stick it in your room in big letters. Face everything and rise. this is the biggest solution in my opinion I can give you. So our video goes like the intro I gave you about the topic, the what is fear, then switching on to the root causes, where we had 3 root causes that are something on stake, societal pressure, and being unaware about ourselves. Then the most interesting part, solution, mindset, converting fear into realization, and redefining fear. Here is the conclusion of my video. I would like to know from you guys, what do you guys perceive fear as? आप fear या डर से क्या समझते हो? And how do you deal with fears? I'll read the comment section and I'll be more than happy to share the comment sections with you guys. Thank you so much for today, and I'll be back with a new and a fresh topic in my next podcast. Thank you for today.